Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add HTML code to your Canva website. Right now, I'm on Canva. To get started, go to the left top corner and click Create. Then choose Custom Size. For this example, I will use 100 by 100 pixels just to open a blank canvas, but you can choose any size depending on your website layout. Click Create Design, and Canva will open a new blank page. This blank canvas is simply a starting point for placing your HTML embed, and the size won't affect the final website layout since Canva websites automatically resize and adjust. Once your page is ready, go to the left menu and scroll down until you see Apps. Click on Apps, and in the search bar type Embed. Press Enter. You will see a blue icon called Embed. Click on it, then select Open. This is where we will paste our embed link or HTML code. Canva currently allows embedding through links, so you need a service that provides a shareable embed link. This means you can embed things like forms, calendars, videos, playlists, widgets, external tools, and more, as long as the platform gives you an embeddable link. For this tutorial, I will use JotForm as an example. So I am opening JotForm, and I will create a simple form. You can choose templates or create your own form from scratch. I will select a feedback form template, click Use Template, and wait for it to load. Here you can see the preview and customize anything you like. Add elements, edit text, change colors, add fields, and adjust the layout until you are happy with it. JotForm is great for Canva websites because the forms are interactive, mobile-friendly, and work directly on your site without requiring coding. Once your form is ready, click Publish inside JotForm. From here, you will see a shareable link. Copy this link. Now go back to Canva and paste the link into the embed box. Canva will automatically load the preview. As you can see, the feedback form is now embedded inside our Canva design. You can resize it, move it around, and position it wherever you want on your website layout. Embedded widgets like this are incredibly useful for collecting leads, taking bookings, accepting survey responses, or showcasing live external content. After placing your embed element, you can continue designing your page. You can add text, buttons, images, background colors, or other sections around your embedded form or widget. Adding supporting elements like headings or call to action buttons can help guide visitors and make your page more engaging. That is how you add HTML or embed code to your Canva website using the Embed app. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more useful tool guides and website tutorials. I also cover more advanced Canva website tips, hidden features, and ways to integrate third-party tools to make your website more powerful.